all, you want to make sure that your hair is relatively neat. You could just like put your fingers through your hair and you're good to go. If you want to put a little product in your hair, you're good. Also, what about your facial hair? That's one of the first things that people notice. Does he look scruffy? Is it neat? Is it trimmed? Is it kind of the look? If you're going to have the 3-day growth, the 5-day growth, you want to make it look kind of neat. You want to clean up a little bit on the inside on your cheeks and just kind of have it a little closer to your chin. You don't want to have too much hair on your neck. You want to kind of keep it clean. Additionally, you want to make sure that your lips are not dried and cracked. You also want to make sure you're wearing clean clothes. Even if they're super casual, you just want to make sure your clothes look good, no holes, no stains.